Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to reset the browser history on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the browser that you are using. In my case, it's Google Chrome, and then tap on More icon. Here you should pick the history. And now you can either delete one particular page just by tapping on cross icon, and as you can see, it disappeared, or you can clear all browsing data just by tapping on this icon, Clear Browsing Data. Now you can select if you would like to delete just browsing history, or maybe also cookies and site data, images and files. Then tap on Advanced, and here you can also add saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. And finally select the period of time from which you would like to delete those information. So it can be just 1 hour, last day, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last month, last 4 weeks, or from the beginning of the using. So I will pick all time, the last option, and then select clear data. Now you have to confirm it. This operation cannot be undone, and it will remove all Chrome data. Okay, I got it. And as you can see, now there is no history, and you just cleared your browsing data. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.